arrested. Cut long story short, you just get me another one. Make her try. If this one make up her mind, fine. In case she mess up too, I will say I get alternative.
I hear go for that. Go believe say me down. We buff before or we buff. Hey, I didn't happen. Go for that. We have buff. You buff. We see on the nakedness before like.
Hey, arrested.
Go for that. You are saying me say.
Arrested. Listen, you chop.
Go for that. I don't chop.
You chop palm.
Go for that.
No. Arrested.
You don't believe.
That's right.
Me, if she come out room inside that, like she the bed, my bed, I go bed for the ground. Nothing. But the diarrhea bomb pay if you go to the pool. Many speakers say she my girl say if the swimmer she did my
bed dog then boom where them dey inside same room.
Go for that. Be true.
They inside the same bathroom.
Go for that. Go for that. I swear. See, I don't say fire the next thing petrol no go feed day together, but we are talking the truth. I swear we know. Oh, go for that. You make it cut everything short. I swear. This weekend you should go for that.
Well,
I go link you nice like that.
The only thing is, you talk to her till she makes up her mind. In case she doesn't do the new one to take the place.
Trust me, Mr. And what for that? I've been to do something for the boys. Something for the boys.
Yeah, I said that I'm going out to buy something.
You say?
So I'm going to buy something out. I'll send you money. I'll send you.
I'll go for that. Make her get this energy. Like if you give me something so right now.
I'll send you money. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Godfather.
I'll send you money.
Godfather. I hear Godfather. Then I beg. Now be your there is no they come. Then drop me. Then drop me. Godfather.
But this girl, she's not.
Godfather, trust me. You weekends you go hear from me.
She's not correct.
You this weekend you go hear from me.
Nah.
You my bestie way I know the joke class. Where you know so play to things hard for the school inside there. You understand? So me this man way I take you go in Modena. See, me say over the like your mother be why I be you know say I get plenty girls, but you will be my own. When I have a bestie at casa. So as I say if you come outside there, at least if the chopper, me to go do what? Me to go chop some. I beg, make you no go do Colum Palambia for there. I beg.
I don't know. I'm just thinking about this thing that you're saying because my person actually then
she be big man, she get everything on. She be big man. Where you to in the street, I'm like, she be nice big man.
You just say me at the street time.
In the street time, I swear. And if you say what, you can before work on her. I beg, see, anything where you go talk, you just do your go till you go. I shake your head.
You but see, you be so annoying you talk like.
Do you know this opportunity, like it come at once, I beg you.
I don't want any disappointment, so I don't want to do this because my mom has been talking to me all the time.
This is just
Charlie, the way she the hustle give me.
This thing, it no be permanent thing. It be just temporal. Well, we school pay. I'm like, I mean, me I don't want to say Belamo.
But they talk say make a manage them. They help me finish my school.
Yeah, because I make a call and we are almost about to reach in there. See me.
Hey.
Maybe. Well, when
I don't want anything happen. No.
Sometimes like this. Sometimes like this. If not be you way they cook, then they come give me some. You see that thing? So me, no me link where I my godfather. They treat me nice. Me say where I be boy self, I be man.
Okay, it's okay. I've heard.
Me say I be man self. You know the money where they. Sure, make a call him. Hey, do you know for me everyone found? Yeah. Me Jimmy that way. Make a call him. When you come for one more link, no be you where you my own. Hey.
Yeah, no one. I can name a throw one fat. And then they will give me pressure. I don't know.
The talk. I swear, wait. I said the talk. Go. Yeah. Godfather. Yes. I beg you, I salute, I greet you. Good afternoon. I beg Godfather, yeah, be me. This is my different line. I beg go for that. Will they come there with that? Me then the short we reach there with that. Your house. Will they come there? Oh. You see. You say what? So go for that. You talk say you know the house. Oh. Go for Godfather. You know, say Godfather me too. You know, she that dey my body. So the small way I get way, I take do both with the hand, the inside way with the camel. So
what do you do?
hey, Godfather, I say if you go fit send some things where you go fit take go back because or you go arrange them, you go meet you where you there because me right now, me asking you to talk right now, I don't get anything from my body. Okay.
So you will send you
Okay, go for that. Okay, so right now you will say Momo, eh? Okay, go for that. Thank you very much. I appreciate go for that. Okay, so then go for that. You know how we go do
So in a nutshell, what you do?
So right now, he say you know say the money where we take you the boat come now, he finish. So he say he go send money right now where you stand go take go. But the thing be say he say make I tell you say, Oba Frey, then we go meet him. But the truth be say you know say today I'll go my granny in funeral. We meet him in Kobe for a quarter so. They do my granny in funeral.
So you mean today he's not even available for us?
He's available. He's available.
Don't worry me, come see here.
He's available. Wait, you two or something are wait. See,
so what make you do right now?
Tell me what. So see me. You know say you see me now. So I'll be busuani. I no go free talk. So I no go. They go first. So me, I will go the quarter to the funeral. No, where I will give your number no to him. Then go back. Then you go like you go meet him. So
hey, so I should go and meet him alone.
Come on.
I can't go.
See the woman. See 1,002. See Momo. See Momo. See just come on boat.
Then he be good man.
Boat 8 million J20 cities couple. Now see. Almost 1.1. We go enjoy him. See him pony.
Okay, you don't worry. I'll go and meet him.
You be company. So let's go back. Make I order the boat now.
Okay, so order.
Let me see. Hey, you just
I'll just listen to him. Whatever he says.
Just come down like this. See. Just put that from say man won't tell also. We dey want something. Yeah, man. Now come see the come that. Bombo boy.
Me fẹ́ mi bá wọn. Mefia ti je ko su ofia an se ma o. Wadan funu kro ba haya. Di odo ba asuma do ba kwa po ya fi no. Ana wo fa ekire e ba kasa ma. Hey, you are wicked. Utimo sum. Maybe utimo. You're ungrateful. Hey, say if you are somebody before the papa and papa abu na training. Mr. Me ni ba me nim die ma da fu na ya ma wo. Even with family put your mama. So how can you step him at the back? For what reason? Adi oye ma me ba no. Enwimbre oti ho ka. Me ba ni sinu no mo onwa bia no ma le di. One ne da. Say adi oye ma me ba na eno na o sa tika no. Na say ebo ne be na me ba de ye no. This say no who crowd here. Me no mo say me ba na here she abra me ba. It's only madam for Nigeria madam for go through hell no. You are comfortable. Oda. Why me say wadam for no? Why me say the other year me ba no? Oya ni den. E se nu nkwa no yama oba. E se nu no yama oba. Nti what guide the yama oba no? Nipa de obetima e se nu nkwa no yima onto no. Kukuo mu de oyo kukuo mu no. Ukwa oya na dafo kro wu nim. Oh, sir. Nti bisa ni ye. Mami. Na me ba no. Madam for no. Oda ma koma so. So woni na be to madam for no. Woni wo kusia. You have to be content with rubbish, wicked boy. There's a one day. Me nya wadi. Ana ba be kuma wadan for no. Sir. Mommy enya ka mo jina ha. He's like a brother to me. He's like my brother. He's like my blood. If you don't know. Brother na whatever he do you know. Ah, na ba na jana baby man. Me do go fe wa hefa. When the papa ni. Me go. We dey no. Baby man. Wouldn't you grateful woman be. Right. Now we call fraud for the bra. Mummy and your mother to Mohanum. And the mother just Papa Naba. Sure. Look at nonsense. How about to Mohabio?